Damage from that line of storms that came in early.
That's right. First out of Howard County, then up the Baltimore City and county lines. Mallory Safaste has been out driving through the storm, joins us now live from the road. Mallory, what have you been able to see today?
Hey, yeah, so we are in the ABC2 News Wrangler right now with a look at your roads. As you heard, a lot of strong winds this afternoon, so driving home, if you're going to drive anywhere tonight, just be aware of some debris on the street. So we want to give you a live look. We're just sitting in some traffic right now on Liberty Road, but we were all around our area today. We started in Howard County out in Clarksville. We saw rain there briefly, but it only lasted about 10 minutes. Then the wind really started picking up. We pulled off in a neighborhood. We saw some trash cans flying, and it was just coming in these bursts of strong wind gusts. So from there, we made our way closer to the city, but stopped short because of major traffic on 83 South. There was a downed tree just before the Northern Parkway exit. Cars were only able to get by in one lane while crews worked to remove a big tree trunk. Traffic was backed up for miles. We also saw an ambulance just crawling, trying to make its way through the jam. So from there, then we got word of wind damage to the Social Security building in Woodlawn. Officials there said at around 2, severe winds caused a satellite dish and roof debris to blow off, causing property damage to the east building. We saw several shattered windows. Employees had to shelter in place, and one employee was actually injured and taken to a local hospital. We don't currently know their condition. So all in all, it was a very fast-moving storm, but it was certainly powerful enough to do some real damage. Reporting live, Mallory Safaste, ABC2 News.
All right, thanks a lot, Mallory. Make sure you are prepared for the next severe storm to hit our area. Connect with us at facebook.com/WMAR TV. We're going to bring you live updates on the weather so you're informed no matter where you are.